Good morning, everyone. Today we're talking about the 2022 Dirty Dozen list by the IRS. Every year the IRS promotes an article, typically on their website, talking about the Dirty Dozen tax strategies that experts throw out into the universe for clients to get caught on. Now, I always have to smile and I always have to say, listen, there's a major difference between being aggressive and correct, right? Technically correct. Like us, like Tax Goddess, okay, we work really, really hard to vet strategies, make sure they're all above board, make sure that we have private letter rulings and IRS backup and court case documentation, all of the T's are crossed and all of the I's are dotted. Okay, we work really hard to make sure those things are in place. But there's a lot of other tax strategists out there who will just grab onto, hey, I heard of this thing and I heard that it saves money for clients. Oh, it makes my skin crawl, okay? Because if you are not careful, you end up on the IRS Dirty Dozen scam list. So I wanted to go over some of the big ones here for 2022. So let me get this pulled up. As you can see here, the big things that they're looking at for 2022, cryptocurrency, non-filing tax returns, like, hey, you don't have to file because of this, that, whatever. Abusive syndicated conservation easements, we'll talk about that here in a second, and abusive micro-captive deals, okay? Now, let's go through these one at a time. Cryptocurrency, okay? So let's talk about that very, very first. Cryptocurrency is different from NFTs, okay? In the eyes of the IRS, NFTs are something called collectibles, okay? So their taxes are different. If you create an NFT, you might have to pay self-employment tax. So there's a lot of very specific pieces about cryptocurrency. So if you are in the cryptocurrency world, whether it's cryptocurrency or NFTs, coins, day trading coins, whatever it is that you're doing, you really want to make sure that you're working with a professional that understands what's going on, okay? So ask them, if you're not sure, ask them about the creation and sale of an NFT. And how is that taxed? Do I or do I not have to pay self-employment tax on the creation of an NFT? Now, you guys, as super smart listeners, you guys know, I was getting so puckered about the IRS Dirty Dozen list. You guys know, as excellent listeners, that if you create an NFT, and that is something that you do over and over and over again. So you're a professional artist, for example, and you are creating NFTs and selling them. That income is self-employment taxable. It is. So if you're talking to your tax professional and they say, oh, I don't know, or I got to go research that. I'm glad that they're researching. That's a good thing. Okay. But if they come back with any answer other than, yes, you must pay self-employment tax on the creation, constant regular creation of NFTs, you're going to have a problem. Okay, Dirty Dozen list if you're not reporting anything cryptocurrency correct. Now, the second one is non-filing. And we've seen this a lot, okay? I am moving out of the country, therefore I don't have to file in the US anymore. There's a lot going on, and not to be political, okay, but there's a lot of commentary coming up with Roe v. Wade being overturned, that if women don't have rights, they should not pay tax. Good luck arguing that with the IRS, okay? So I'm not trying to get political here, guys. You guys know I don't talk religion or politics. This is just an example of the scams that are coming out saying non-filing. If you are a U.S. citizen, if you have a green card, if you have residency in the U.S., okay, you may be required to file a U.S. tax return, okay? So now, if you're a citizen, you are, period, required. If you have a green card, you are, period, required. If you're a resident, maybe not, okay? So this is why you want to work with an expert. So if someone is telling you that you do not need to file a U.S. tax return, you better know why, okay? You better know exactly why. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to our team, okay? This is the kind of stuff we do, okay?